Welcome to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic for you: how to make $200 a day online, even if you're a beginner with no technical background. We will explore 5 easy methods that you can use to start making money online, from freelancing to virtual assistants. Each method is simple, accessible, and most importantly, profitable. So buckle up, open your mind, and let's dive into the digital world of earning. So, stay tuned, and let's dive into the first method. The first method we are going to discuss is freelancing. Freelancing is essentially selling your skills or services to multiple clients, instead of working for a single employer. It's like running your own small business, where you are the boss. Today, we see freelancers in many fields, from graphic design and writing to marketing and programming. To get started, you'll need to create a profile on freelancing platforms. Some of the most popular ones include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms serve as a marketplace where freelancers and clients can connect. When creating your profile, think of it as your professional online presence. Here you'll showcase your skills, experience, and portfolio. The more detailed and professional your profile, the more likely potential clients are to hire you. Remember, first impressions count. Now, it's time to search for jobs that match your skills. These platforms have thousands of job postings daily, so you're likely to find something that suits your expertise. If you're just starting out, don't be discouraged if you don't land a job immediately. Persistence is key. As a freelancer, it's a good idea to start with smaller projects. These can help you build your reputation and portfolio, deliver high-quality work, meet deadlines, and maintain good communication with your clients. Positive reviews and ratings will attract more clients and allow you to gradually increase your rates. Speaking of communication, it's one of the most critical factors for success in freelancing. Clear and timely communication can prevent misunderstandings and build trust with your clients. Always make sure you understand the task before you start. Ask questions if something is unclear, and keep your clients updated on your progress. Another important factor is meeting deadlines. In the freelancing world, deadlines are sacred. Delivering work late can damage your reputation and affect your relationship with clients. If you think a deadline is unrealistic, negotiate it with the client before you start the project. Freelancing can be challenging, especially in the beginning, but don't get discouraged. With time, experience, and dedication, you can build a successful freelancing career. And the best part? You decide when, where, and how much you work. Your earning potential is not limited by a salary structure or a boss's decision. Remember, every successful freelancer was once a beginner. They faced rejections, learned from their mistakes, and kept improving. So keep learning, keep improving, and keep pushing forward. With freelancing, your earning potential is truly in your hands. You decide your worth and how much you earn. So, if you're ready to take control of your career and your income, freelancing could be a great option for you. Remember, persistence, professionalism, and a commitment to delivering quality work are the keys to success in freelancing. So, are you ready to take the leap and start your freelancing journey? The world of freelancing is waiting for you. The next method to make money online is by participating in online surveys and market research. Now, let's dive into what this all entails. Online surveys and market research are tools that companies use to gather information about consumer preferences and market trends. These companies are willing to pay for your time and opinions, making this a viable way to earn some extra cash online. But how does it work? First off, you need to sign up on legitimate survey websites. There are plenty out there, but some reputable ones include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Always ensure you're dealing with a legitimate platform to avoid scams and protect your personal information. Once you've signed up, the next step is to complete your profile. This is important because the more detailed your profile is, the more likely you are to receive surveys that are relevant to you. This can range from your shopping habits to your favorite types of movies, and even your eating habits. Now you're ready to participate in surveys, product testing, and market research studies. Each survey or study you complete earns you points, which can later be redeemed for rewards. These rewards can come in various forms such as cash, gift cards, or PayPal payments. It's a simple trade-off: your time and opinions for rewards. One thing to keep in mind though is that the number of surveys available to you might vary. Some days you might have a bunch, other days, not so much. This is where our tips for success come in. Consistency is key. Make it a habit to check for new surveys daily. The more surveys you complete, the more rewards you can earn. So even if you only have a few minutes to spare each day, those minutes can add up to some nice rewards over time. Choosing reputable platforms is also crucial. As mentioned earlier, you want to ensure that the platform you're using is legitimate. Do your research, read reviews, and make sure they have a proven track record of paying their users. So, with a little bit of your time, you can make some extra cash. It might not make you a millionaire overnight, but it's definitely a simple and flexible way to earn money online. Plus, you'll be contributing to important market research that can influence future products and services. And who knows, you might even find it fun. Now let's move on to our third method, content creation. Content creation is all about generating engaging and valuable material for your audience. It could be anything from blog posts and podcasts to videos and infographics. The key here is to create something that your audience will find useful, interesting, or entertaining. Choosing the type of content to create is your first step. What are you passionate about? What are your skills? Maybe you're a natural writer and would enjoy blogging. Or perhaps you're a charismatic speaker and podcasting or creating YouTube videos could be your thing. Whatever it is, choose something you love because passion shines through and can be the difference between good content and great content. Once you've chosen your content type, you'll need to set up your platform. If you're blogging, you'll need a website. If you're creating videos, you'll need a YouTube channel. There are plenty of tutorials online to guide you through these processes, so don't feel overwhelmed. Just take it one step at a time. Next, you'll need to produce your content. This is where your creativity gets to shine. Remember, quality is more important than quantity. You want to create content that is high quality, engaging, and valuable to your audience. Consistency is also key. Set up a content schedule and stick to it to keep your audience coming back for more. Now let's talk about monetization. There are several ways to monetize your content. You could place ads on your website or YouTube videos. You could also use affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Another option is sponsored content, where companies pay you to create content around their product or service. And finally, you could create and sell your own digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables. Promotion is another crucial aspect of content creation. You can have the best content in the world, but if no one sees it, you won't make any money. Use social media to promote your content and engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and build relationships with your followers. This not only helps to grow your audience, but also builds trust, which can lead to more sales in the future. But here's the thing about content creation, it requires patience and dedication. You won't see results overnight, it's a long-term game. But if you stick with it, continue to produce high-quality content, and engage with your audience, you'll start to see results. Finding your niche is also essential. Your niche is a specific topic or area that your content focuses on. It should be something you're knowledgeable and passionate about, but also something that has an audience. The more specific your niche, the easier it will be to attract a dedicated audience. Remember, good content can be a goldmine. It takes time and effort to create, but once you've built up a library of valuable content, it can continue to earn you money for years to come. So, get out there, start creating, and see where this journey takes you. Our fourth method is getting into dropshipping or e-commerce. Now, this is a fascinating area to explore and can be highly profitable if done right. So, what exactly are dropshipping and e-commerce? Well, both involve selling products online, but they are slightly different. With dropshipping, you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, you partner with a supplier who fulfills orders on your behalf. E-commerce, on the other hand, is a broader term that includes any commercial transaction conducted online, and it can include dropshipping. Now, the first step to starting your dropshipping or e-commerce business is choosing a niche or product category. This is crucial, as your choice of niche will determine your target audience and your marketing strategy. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and familiar with. It could be anything from vintage watches to organic baby products, as long as it's something that people are interested in and willing to buy online. After choosing your niche, the next step is to set up your online store. There are several platforms you can use for this, like Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms are user-friendly and come with all the features you need to run an online store, such as a shopping cart, payment gateway, and customer management tools. Once your store is up and running, it's time to find reliable suppliers for dropshipping or to source products for your e-commerce store. There are several ways to do this, such as contacting manufacturers directly or using wholesale directories. The key is to find suppliers who offer high-quality products at competitive prices and who are reliable in fulfilling orders. Now, with your store set up and suppliers in place, you can start adding products to your store. This involves creating product listings with detailed descriptions and high-quality images. Remember, your product listings are your sales pitch, so make them as compelling as possible. Next comes the most important part: marketing your products. This can be done through various channels such as social media, email marketing, or pay-per-click advertising. The aim is to reach your target audience and convince them to buy your products. This will require some research and experimentation to find out what works best for your niche and your audience. In addition to marketing, you'll also need to handle customer inquiries and orders. This includes responding to customer questions, processing orders, and handling returns or complaints. Good customer service is key to building trust and loyalty among your customers, and it can make a big difference to your bottom line. So, what are the keys to success in dropshipping or e-commerce? First and foremost, it's important to do your research. Understand your niche, your competition, and your target audience. Secondly, provide excellent customer service. This will help you build a loyal customer base and boost your reputation. Finally, develop effective marketing strategies. This will help you reach your audience and drive sales. With e-commerce, the world is your marketplace. It's a chance to reach customers from all corners of the globe and create a business that can operate around the clock. It's not easy, and it requires hard work and dedication, but the rewards can be substantial. So why not give it a try? Our final method to make $200 a day online is becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants is a booming industry that allows you to provide professional support to businesses from the comfort of your own home. It's like being an executive assistant, but instead of being in an office, you're working remotely. To get started as a virtual assistant, the first step is to identify your skills. Are you a whiz at managing emails, scheduling appointments, and organizing files? Or maybe you have a knack for social media management, data entry, or customer support. Whatever your strengths, there's likely a business out there in need of your skills. Once you've identified what you can offer, it's time to create your virtual assistant profile. This is where you'll showcase your skills, experience, and what services you provide. Be sure to highlight any relevant experience and make it clear how you can help potential clients. Remember, your profile is your first impression, so make it count. Now, where to find virtual assistant jobs? There are many websites like Upwork or Freelancer where businesses post job listings looking for virtual assistants. Browse through these listings and apply for the positions that match your skills. It might take some time to land your first gig, but don't get discouraged. Persistence is key. Once you've landed a job, you'll start managing tasks for your client. This could involve anything from managing emails and scheduling appointments to data entry and customer support. The tasks you'll handle will depend on your skills and the needs of your client. Communication is crucial in virtual assistance. You'll need to stay in constant contact with your client, providing updates, asking questions, and ensuring you're meeting their needs. This might involve regular video calls, emails, or instant messaging. Effective communication ensures you and your client are on the same page, leading to a successful working relationship. Now let's talk about some tips for success. Organization is key in this line of work. You'll likely be juggling multiple tasks at once, so it's essential to keep everything organized. This might involve using project management tools or creating a system that works for you. Time management is another crucial skill. As a virtual assistant, you'll be setting your own hours. This flexibility is one of the perks of the job, but it also requires discipline. Be sure to manage your time effectively to meet deadlines and stay productive. Finally, professionalism goes a long way in virtual assistance. You might be working from home, but remember, you're providing a professional service. Treat your clients with respect, deliver high-quality work, and always strive to exceed expectations. To sum up, becoming a virtual assistant is a great way to make money online. It allows you to leverage your skills, work from home, and provide valuable support to businesses. It might take some time to get started, but with persistence, organization, and effective communication, you can build a successful virtual assistant business. As a virtual assistant, your skills are your currency, so polish them, promote them, and let them pave the way to your $200 a day online journey. That wraps up our guide on how to make $200 a day online. We've unveiled the potential of freelancing, the ease of online surveys and market research, the creative avenue of content creation, the lucrative world of dropshipping or e-commerce, and the dynamic role of a virtual assistant. It's important to choose a method that resonates with your skills and interests. Remember, patience, consistency, and determination are key to achieving your goal. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this guide to making $200 a day online insightful. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. We're committed to bringing you more content filled with practical tips and strategies to help you navigate the digital world. Stay tuned, and until next time, happy earning.